Ooh, now it is getting musky. It is a very, very excellent scent in my opinion. Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are going to explore Aether from French Avenue. I am a science guy, so I am going to call it Ether. Anyhow, it is Ether, so I am going to unbox it in front of you. I have heard a lot of stories that this is a very great perfume, similar to Greenley from PDM. So, Parfums de Marly, let's find out. I'm not in a mood of spending a lot to, so let's find out. This is not very expensive. So I really love unboxing these. So this is the box. You can see over here. This is the box. And let's try to open it. So this is how it opens. And this is the bottle. Very beautiful bottle. I love it. So let's get it out. I love the presentation. The bottle is very unique, very lovely. I have seen that this French Avenue, they have very unique kind of bottles, and I really love this aspect. So let's find out how is the juice or the perfume. Let's spray it out on this paper. Very lovely citrus start, light fruity citrus. Yeah, it has some aromatic aspect to it, like it is lightweight, light aromatic, light green, mostly citruses and some fruits maybe. I think it is a safe scent. You can use this in summers. This is a very excellent summer scent for me. And this is just my initial thought. Let's see what is written in the main accords. Woody, citrus, fruity. Yes, it is fruity. Musky. I'm not sure. Powdery. I'm not sure. Green. Yes, it is green. Fresh. Yes, it is fresh. Amber, mossy, and fresh spicy. I think this is not going to be that much, but right now I am sensing apple. It says green apple, bergamot, Mandarin, orange. Middle notes are Cedar, Petitgrain, Cashmeran, violet, musk, Oakmoss, and Amberwood. Now it has some light musky note that is actually playing with citruses, and I'm not sure why it is the fruits and sweetness over here is reminding me of YSL perfume. Ooh, now it is getting musky. It is a very, very excellent scent in my opinion. I think it is a lot better than YSL because the muskiness is here with the green apple. It is very, very lovely. Now it is getting a little light woody. It is not like kayak wood or very powerful woody like tree trunk kind of vibe. It is very light woody. Now this is good. This is musky, light sweet, and light woody kind of scent. Now it is, I think it is now the mid of this perfume, mid notes and maybe the dry down. Yes. Okay, so let me just rephrase everything what I have found. Start is fruity with some green apple with citruses, and it is not very lemon kind of citrus. It is kind of like orange kind of citruses. Then in the next note, in the next phase, we have muskiness, and that is actually light musky tones that are coming from and toning down the fruitiness and everything. So next is woody and light woody and musky phase. So now everything is toning down. The citruses and muskiness and light woodiness is going to be on your skin. This is, I think, this is going to be the trail or scent on your skin. From my perspective, I have tested Turathi Blue from Latafa, and comparing with that, it is very good in performance. If you look at a summer scent, it is an excellent summer scent, and I think it is a blind buy. There is nothing, no chemicals that are irritating my throat. I'm very sensitive to harsh chemicals. I had asthma in my life. So from my perspective, Aether is a very, very well done perfume. Okay. So this is my review. Now I'm going to give it some numbers. So in my own opinion, scent profile wise, I'm going to give it 7 out of 10. Not very unique scent profile, but an excellent scent profile for summer fragrances. Next, I am going to give it for performance. I think I have heard a lot of people that it performs very well. So I haven't tested it on my skin yet because I just unboxed it. But I am going to give it like 8 out of 10 for performance. So this is an excellent choice that is not going to break your bank or, bomb your pockets. So this is Aether Extract from French Avenue. Very, very well done. This is my first French Avenue that I am testing right now and reviewing right now. I have 2 more lined up. I'm really excited to do those 2. So let's move on to the next video and keep watching and subscribing and liking these videos. If you like Aether or have used Aether, let me share your thoughts and your whatever you have, your comments, and if you got any compliments from it, share it with me in the comments below. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.